Good morning, my fellow marketers, business owners, and everybody else. Today, I want to do a full back office to show you what you be getting when you join. Give me 1 minute. Let me pull this up. What y'all be getting. This is the back office. This is everything you be getting. That's your capture page, I think, up there. That's the 30-day challenge, and that's the sales page right there. And there's also your supercharged thing where you can hit you up, where that's a 40-day trial, and also that's the owner at the bottom. There we go. Show you the next one. Is okay. Oh, they logged me out. Jesus, why is it doing that? Don't understand that. Don't understand that. All right, let's see if that quick start thing will work. Come on. Sorry about that, y'all. I'm trying to make this as quick as. Oh, I already did a quick start. Alright, here we go. This is how to get sales. So, if you don't know how to do it, this will tell you the steps to do. There's a video, there's 2 videos right here explaining to you what to do. Along with, there's text links right here. Let me zoom. Oops, let me pause the video.
In this short video, you're gonna...
Let me pause that. Can y'all see that? Maybe slide this right there. There's the top generation right there. Can y'all see it? There we go. I know it's too bright. I'm gonna use my camera. Might be my camera or something. So, yep, that's what it is. Let's move on to the next one, y'all. Now, here's the other upgrade sale you get. A video explaining it. Here we go. That's a video showing. This is what shows you, and that's everything you get. There we go. All right, let's move on to the next one. This is the other upgrade I was talking about. In the box. This is a $37 one time, and you get $25 commission. So every time somebody purchase this, you get a $25 commission. That's it. You own the thing. You don't, then it gets passed up. So there we go. Move on to the next one. This is the training area right here. So it has all the training you need, knowing how to market, how to do it the right way, by top people in the industry, along with the coaches and mentors. They know what they're doing. So that's the training area itself. Now, there's contact information I want to show, but I can't do that because YouTube, they will flag my video for doing that because of privacy. So we got to respect people's privacy. We don't want to do some bad things, so I can't show you that. But that's where it'll be, where all your contact information, people that join you, and their emails and more. So that's it. That's the nutshell of that. So here's the tools. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? That's where you set everything up. Your Gmail, your phone number, your Gmail and all the other good jazz to help you out with your marketing journey right there. And then there's your buyers list, where every time somebody purchases anything like the front end or the optional upsells, then that's where they'll be at. So that's your buyers list right there. So you know how many people purchase from you. And that's where your commissions will be, your e-wallet, where you can withdraw and more. Can y'all see it? Let me make sure. Okay. And here we go. Watch your upgrade. That's where it's at. The blue one is the $25 commission. That's a one-time one. And the red one is the thing I was talking about was the $147, along with the more stuff that comes along with it. So that's in a nutshell. And there's also a video right here telling you what you be getting with each of these packages. So That's your explanation there. And then there's your accounts. So that's where you can change everything. Oh, yeah, you can change everything right there. That's in a nutshell right there, y'all. And there's your help right here. You can ask for help. You can ask David, the AI, to help you. You got questions. And there's also support. So if you stuck, they can be able to help you out. So there you go. Well, that's in a nutshell, showing you about the back office. I show you the back office tour. I can't show the contact information though, so I'm hoping the owners, if they watching this video, make it where we can hide that, so we can show people that, or at least do something that way we can show stuff like this. So that way it'll be a full back office tour, and not just me just showing what I can show you and what not to show you. But yes, this should change your mind if you want to join, or you just want to keep doing the same thing over and over and over and over and don't get anything. So if you want to take action, and you don't want to procrastinate from 2026, then the action is now. So click the link below, follow the steps, put in your email, go do the steps, do the video, take your time, don't rush. If you got questions, feel free to let me know. My Facebook information will be there, so you can contact me there. This video is getting long-winded, so I'm going to say take care, everyone, and stay focused. Happy New Year 2026. Let's go.